You tried to upload your video to YouTube, but it's a WLMP file. That's not a video, it's a project file. You need to finish the movie. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's render this correctly. The easiest fixes come first, but I want you ready for the ultimate solution. The magic utility that specializes in the WLMP format. Details below. A WLMP file is a project file created by Windows Movie Maker. It contains information about the video project, including video clips, audio tracks, transitions, effects, and titles. WLMP files are not actual video files. They are instructions for Movie Maker to assemble the final video. To view the video, the WLMP file must be exported to a video format like .MP4 or WMV. WLMP files are XML-based and store references to the media files used in the project rather than embedding the media directly. This design allows for smaller file sizes and easier editing. The file specifies the order of clips, the duration of transitions, and the parameters for effects. When the project is exported, Movie Maker renders the final video based on these instructions. The best utility for reliable viewing of WLMP is known to be Microsoft Windows Live Movie Maker by Microsoft Corporation. The file's minimalist design confuses most native Windows file handlers. Windows previews many video container types, but effect editing needs professional software. Open the menu by right-clicking your WLMP file and choosing Open With. Test Microsoft Windows Live Movie Maker if it's there. If it's absent, select another application. Different apps handle the WLMP file differently. If you still can't open the WLMP file, it's okay. We've simplified the problem to 3 distinct common points of failure. This quick list shows you what those problems are and how to quickly confirm them. First, recognize the file type. Understand that .WLMP is a project file, not a video. It only contains instructions and references to the original media files. Next, locate original media. Ensure all the original video clips and images used in the project are in the same location, folder they were in when the project was last saved. Finally, save as movie. To share or view on another PC, open the project and use File. Save Movie to export as a true video file like MP4. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.